Fueled by experience, passion, and talent, Slovenia is a global leader in technological innovation. Its green qualities, creative mindset, and smart solutions have been the driving force of a nation determined to develop ideas others think are impossible. Located in the heart of Europe and at the crossroads of 10 T corridors, Slovenia boasts strong regional connectivity, an export-driven economy, and one of the most stable business environments in the world. It may be small in size, but it's big in achievements. Because Slovenia's strategic focus on digitalization, science, and R&D empowers its companies to develop niche technologies with global value. Slovenia's smart companies are shaping the future of sustainable mobility. From cutting-edge electric aircraft and hybrid propulsion systems to intelligent drive solutions and the world's first in-wheel drives for electric vehicles, they are redefining the standards of precision. With world-class measuring systems, laboratory software, and integrated smart factory automation, their breakthrough technologies are streamlining digital processes, from advanced transaction management and paperless operations to state-of-the-art solutions for Industry 5.0. In healthcare and biotech, they're enhancing lives. With preventative genetic testing, high-precision lasers for medical use, and innovative biotechnological platforms, Slovenia's smart minds are also revolutionizing green technologies with eco-conscious energy components, sustainable systems, and a clear commitment to environmental health. Whether it's mobility, health, automation, or clean energy, Slovenian companies are globally recognized for turning smart ideas into tangible progress. Slovenia wouldn't be smart without the ambitious, skilled, and innovative people who are always ready for their next challenge. Venture beyond and grow with Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.